All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show you the three things I bought today actually for both the trucks back there, the 17 and the 15. Like I said, probably keep saying that a lot. This is like my first YouTube video, so I just like filming shit, man. That's what I do. So today I'm gonna show you guys three things that you're gonna need. So you don't need, but Snyder Performance Engineering, SPE Motorsport. My blue truck, it's lost some weight, and I've had it for about 4 years, and everything engine-wise, saving the motor-wise, upgrades, pipe shit like that, it's all SPE. It's all I run. They're pretty close to me. Amy and Dan, they're awesome. When I need parts, kind of like today, a few days ago, I emailed them. I said, hey, I'm doing fuel filters and I'm doing oil change on both my trucks. I'm like, I kind of need these by this weekend and blah, blah, blah. And boom, they're at the door 3 days later. Now they are in PA, I'm in Ohio. So the two things I'm gonna show you, I really like and I think you should get. So first thing, the SPE stainless steel oil drain plug. Now, I mean, look at that thing, man. That's a bad unit right there. It's got an O-ring seal on it. I mean, that's beautiful. Can't beat it. It's like a sore dick, man. You can't beat it. It's like 25 bones. You can't go wrong. The two things you're gonna wanna get, because you have problems with them. So my blue truck, the 15 and the 17s are a little different setup wise in the back. So the main problem is the little drain valve is plastic, and it's known to break off on these things when you're draining your fuel water separator, whatever you want to call it. So SPE, they make a billet drain valve for the 11 to 16s and the 17 to 22s, whatever, 17 to 20s. So other care package we have is for my 2015, this is the, SPE, get in on that, billet drain valve. That is, now that's like a sore dick. You can't beat that, man. That is nice. So that's the one. Now the one definitely, so my blue truck I've owned for going on 4 years, and I've done about fuel filters twice. I'm one of them guys that store for the winter. I live in Ohio, I know, make fun, whatever. And I've never broken, knock on wood, I've never broken that drain valve off, or whatever you want to call it. My 2017, I just got it in October. It's my first time doing fuel filters on it, and they are definitely known to break. So I also got the billet SPE. Look at this sweater puppy, man. Get in on that action. That's a bad unit right there. Look at that. They even got it to where, if you see this right here, you could slap a water bottle right into it, drain it right out, man. I mean, you can't beat it. It's perfect. So, like I said, once I get the rest of my oil, I'm still waiting on 10 quarts. My buddy Mike, call him Snap-on Mike, he picked it up for me. Then we're gonna get to some oil changing. I mean, I could at least do one truck. They both take 13 quarts with filter. I mean, people want to argue on that too. There's guys putting 15 quarts in them. Hey, man, whatever floats your boat, my man. That's all I'm gonna say. So we'll get into that later, doing both oil changes and fuel filters. Hopefully, it's wash day right now. That's why I got a little sweating, man. Sweating like a whore in church. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So this is what it's like owning 267 Powerstrokes. This is a little maintenance day right here. We got 2 oil filters. We got, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. No, 2 quarts. So carry the one divided by 2. We got like 27 quarts of oil. I need 26, 13 for each truck. We got fuel filters for the 15. We got fuel filters for the 17, all Ford Motorcraft. All the oil is 10W30, which took me like a month to find this shit. Can't find no Rotella. Filters are off Amazon, all cut and dry. So yeah, this is maintenance day on the 15 and the 17. So now the 17 I've had since October. This is the first time me doing fuel filters and oil change. So it's a little different on the bottom for the water separator, whatever you want to call it. So Cool thing about lifted trucks though is slide the bucket right under there. This one, she's still stock height, so it's gonna be a little more challenging, but nothing we're not willing to handle. I don't know if that's the proper way, but yeah. So also, like I said, I don't know, I'm cutting these videos together. I got the fuel drain valves from SPE, got the oil plug from SPE, and the other one for both the drain valves for both trucks. This truck already has the SPE oil plug on it, so we knock that out right now, drain it, while she sat for 20 minutes after being ran. So yeah, we'll get back with you in a little bit here. All right, guys, so everybody in a lot of videos has said this, so it's not hard to find, but just be cautious of it. When you're changing, you drop the filter down, right? I just dropped mine. This O-ring for the filter. Do not double them up. That will not be good. O-ring was sitting right up there, man. I just dropped it right down. So that's just one little key thing to have in mind. SPE drain plug. Don't mind all that. That's some mud from this damn bucket. A little bit of oil, you know, nothing too crazy, but just keep that in mind. Do not double up them O-rings. It's not going to be pretty. All right, y'all. So we are doing the fuel filter change on the 2015. So that O-ring up there, we're gonna drop that down. We're gonna replace that, lubricate it with some diesel. Then, just a little key things here. Let's see. Here's the old drain valve. I'm gonna save that. Here is the bowl with the new SPE drain valve. The new filter. Inside of this, the filter just snaps in there. Look in there. Also, you know, unplug the sensor, crank it out. Look in there, make sure nothing's floating around down in there, any dirt or anything crazy, you know. And also another key thing, 32 millimeter socket. I bought this off Amazon. Who makes? Not for impact use. I think it's especially for this because it's got that fancy little, it's a short guy. It's very, very, very short socket. So I ordered that off Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. If you guys ever want to look that up and get that. And yeah, Ford Motor Company, they supply the new O-ring, new filter. So we're going to slap that new O-ring up in there, lubricate it. The other thing, I'll get back to that in a minute, but tightening this bowl up. So many guys in the forums won't have their truck start or low fuel pressure because they don't tighten it down all the way. And it is my first time I did it. It's sketchy, I'm not going to lie. So I can't see, where is it at? I can't see right now, but when I tighten up, I'll get in on that. And I'll show you, there is a tab up there that it's a stop. There's no way you're going past it. You go past it, you're snapping it. That's not good. So you go to that tab, you're good to go. So actually, I think it's on this. This tab right here. This tab will line up with one up there. So we'll get back to that.
All right. I tell you, this weekend is a lot better than the other weekend when we had all those mowers out.
He'll tell you. He's a sexy son of a bitch. He's single too, ladies. Look at him.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, if you look up here, those two plastic tabs right there, one on the bowl and then one on the housing, that is where you stop. Do not go past that. Even my buddy was saying it's tight going in there, man, cranking it on, but that is the stop. If you go past that stop, you're going to snap that. It's only plastic. Then you're fucked. You got to get a new bowl, so a little food for thought right there. New SPE drain valve looking sweatier than fucking sweat. Oh yeah, look at that. Get it on that. Fucking blurry. There we go. Nice. Now we're gonna move to the engine bay. All right, so for this filter right here, you got this blue tab, which this blue tab, you just pull it back and push down. And then you got this tab right here, you actually pinch it and pull out. This little canister itself, it just twists, lifts up, that's it. So now you gotta prime the truck. Usually cycle the key like 10, 15 times for 30 seconds at a time, let everything get filled back up. So, all right, y'all. So this is wrapping up today's weekend videos. Got the black truck priming right now, you know, just cycling the key switch on and off. You guys know the drill. If you've done fuel filters before, I do it like at least 15 times. Just more the merrier, don't fucking matter. So we got oil change, fuel filters, oil change, fuel filters. I film bits and pieces. I ain't got nobody to film for me, so I was just filming, cutting dry certain shit you guys need to know. So yeah, I'm just uploading videos to, I don't know, I just like uploading videos. I usually upload shit to my Instagram stories all the time, everything I work on. So I'm working at work, and then on the weekends I'm working at home on trucks and stuff like that. So yeah, if you watched my video, thanks. If you think this is cool, yeah, so see y'all in the next one. Deuces.